we will take black and deep blue and marine blue or light blue and white. Also, we will take a flat brush, a round brush and a dust-off brush and a bowl of water for clearing the brushes. Okay, so first of all at the top we will take some dark blue color and paint it in the upper part. Right now it is looking a little bit light, but when we will do the coating it will become dark. Sorry for the different video angle because we have shifted in our new house and it is very difficult to shoot here without a tripod camera. So as you can see, we have done the deep blue till the 1/5 part of the page, and after that we will take some marine blue color and merge it with it and start the next layer of the page with light blue color. Take as little water as you can and take more paint, and don't forget to merge them well. I think I will make a different video on how to merge poster colors easily, but for this tutorial you have to do it by yourself. So by this only we will be doing the light blue color till the bottom of the page. As I have told you, you have to divide the page in 5 parts and you have to leave the last bottom part. Now as you can see, we will take white poster color and draw a circle and make a moon of it. I am very scared by doing this because every time I make a circle or try to make a moon, I always ruin it, but this time it has come nicely, so you can create a moon texture. So after we have done the moon part, now we will make a heel side. For making this heel side, we will take black poster color and let me show you the design in which we will make the heel side. It should be a little bit curving at the end and broad at the left part. As you can see, this shape we have to make and fill inside it with black color. You can do as many coating as you want to make it dark black. Now we will paint the leftover part with light blue color, and also when the paint dries up you have to brush off the excess dust that is formed with solid form. As you can see, I have done the Krishna figure, drawed it with pencil. You can draw any type of Lord Krishna figure as you want, and we will take a black sketch pen or brush pen and we will draw its body and then we will color it. So as you can see, it has came out very nicely, and I have painted it also with black brush pen. Remember not to use poster color. If you want, you can use poster color, but every time I draw poster color with small figures, it get ruined. So for a safety factor, you can use a brush pen or a sketch pen. And at the left side, you can see I am drawing a leafless tree, because in any landscape or any type of painting, it is spiritual one or like a simple one only of a landscape, the leafless tree added the enhance to the painting, because it looks very beautiful at the side and the painting is not like incomplete. So yes, like this you can draw the many arms, or you can say branches of the leafless tree, and you can spread it as much as you can. So our painting is going to finish only, and it is looking very beautiful.